what up, everybody? It's your girl, Tika Lopez. I'm so excited to have you here today. Welcome, welcome to the channel where we dish out advice that's more valuable than a Birkin bag at a sample sale. Seriously, you won't want to miss a single episode. Today, we're diving into the daily habits of successful millionaire moms. These are the routines and strategies that help them balance it all. Because let's be real, being a mom is already a full-time job, but these superwomen are out here building empires, raising amazing kids, and probably still managing to get a full 8 hours of sleep. It's incredible, right? Get ready to be inspired, motivated, and maybe just a little bit jealous. In a good way, of course. We're about to uncover some amazing tips and tricks. Let's go. First things first, these millionaire mamas are up before the sun and probably before their roosters too. We're talking 5 a.m., maybe even 4:30 a.m. I know that sounds insane. You're probably thinking, girl, the only thing I'm waking up for at 4:30 a.m. is a crying baby. But trust me, that quiet time before the chaos hits, it's like a secret weapon. You can get so much done when the rest of the world is still snoozing. We're talking meditation, journaling, that workout you keep putting off. It's opposite. Is there die, is there cry, get so much there me. Some possible, my friend. Speaking of workouts, let's be real, being a mom is a workout in itself, am I right? From chasing toddlers around the house to carrying them on your hip, it's a full body exercise every single day. But these millionaire moms know that taking care of their physical health is just as important as taking care of their businesses and their families. They understand that a healthy body fuels a healthy mind, which in turn helps them stay on top of their game. Whether it's hitting the gym, going for a run, or just dancing around the living room with their kids, they make sure to move their bodies every single day. It's not just about staying fit, it's about setting a positive example for their children. And trust me, you don't need a fancy gym membership or a personal trainer to get it done. Everyday household items can become your workout equipment. Just put on some music, get those endorphins flowing, and feel the stress melt away. It's all about making fitness fun and accessible for everyone in the family. Okay, listen up, because this is a big one. Millionaire moms don't just wing it, they plan. They know that failing to plan is planning to fail, and ain't nobody got time for that. Before they hit the hay, these super women take a few minutes to map out their next day. We're talking to-do lists, schedules, the whole 9 yards. This way, they can wake up with a clear head and a game plan, ready to conquer the world, one diaper change at a time. Now, you might be thinking, hold up, with all this grinding and hustling, when do these millionaire moms actually get to spend time with their families? Well, guess what? That's their number one priority. They know that family is everything, and they make sure to carve out quality time for their loved ones, no matter how crazy their schedules get. Whether it's a family dinner, a game night, or just cuddling up on the couch for a movie, these moms know how to create memories that will last a lifetime. All right, let's talk about self-care, because this is where a lot of us moms tend to drop the ball. We're so busy taking care of everyone else that we forget to take care of ourselves. But millionaire moms, they know that self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. They make time for bubble baths, face masks, girls' nights out, whatever helps them relax and recharge. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup, so fill yours up, girl. Let's be real. Life with kids is messy, chaotic, and unpredictable. But millionaire moms have a secret weapon organization. They know that a cluttered space leads to a cluttered mind, so they make sure to keep their homes and their schedules in tip-top shape. From color-coded calendars to perfectly labeled storage bins, these moms have their organizational game on lock. Okay, let's talk money, honey. Millionaire moms didn't get to where they are by accident. They set clear financial goals for themselves, and they track their progress like a boss. They create budgets, invest wisely, and aren't afraid to ask for what they're worth. They know that financial freedom is about more than just money. It's about creating a legacy for their families and having the power to live life on their own terms. Millionaire moms are like sponges. They're always soaking up new knowledge and skills. They read books, listen to podcasts, attend workshops, you name it, they're doing it. They know that the world is constantly changing and they want to stay ahead of the curve. So ditch the idea that you're too old or too busy to learn something new. Last but definitely not least, millionaire moms understand the importance of giving back to their communities. They know that true success isn't just about how much money you make, it's about the impact you have on the world. Whether it's volunteering their time, donating to charity, or simply being a mentor to someone in need, these moms are all about spreading the love and making the world a better place. And that's a wrap. But before we go, let's dive into something truly transformative. Here are 10 daily habits of successful millionaire moms that you can start implementing today. I hope you feel as inspired and motivated as I do right now. These habits are designed to empower you and bring out your best self. Remember, you don't have to be a millionaire yet to incorporate these habits into your life. Start small and build up gradually. Every small step you take is a step towards creating the life of your dreams. Consistency is key, and every action counts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content and join our amazing community of ambitious women. We are stronger together. And be sure to download our free guide, 10 Essential Financial Steps for Aspiring Millionaire Moms, at www.millionairemomlifestyle.com. It's packed with valuable insights. Until next time, stay fabulous, stay focused, and go after those dreams. Your journey to success starts now.